Microsoft Teams and Power BI can work together to enhance collaboration and data-driven decision-making within an organisation. Let's take a look. I'm in Microsoft Teams, and down the left-hand side I'm going to add in the Power BI app. Here I can access different dashboards, but if I go to the Create tab along the top, I can build a report, but I'm going to choose to analyse our team data here. Power BI automatically creates your report, displays it in your Power BI Teams app, and saves it to My Workspace. The report is yours. As with any of your reports, you can view it in Teams or in the Power BI service. You can edit it, save a copy, or download the PBX file to edit it in Power BI Desktop. Different reports here for your own activity, the Teams activities, and usage activity across the number of active users, channels and messages, so you can quickly see how many users across your organisation are using Teams to communicate and collaborate. The Power BI tab can be embedded into a Teams channel or chat, so people can quickly access relevant data, visualizations and insights. Here I'm adding the Power BI tab into a channel. It will prompt me to choose which report I'd like to use. The team members can comment, ask questions, share insights, which all aid to foster a collaborative environment. So Power BI and Teams. It creates one centralised hub where data analysis and visualisation is available for everyone, and that can lead to collaborative decision making using the tools in Teams.